Hey guys, what's up again? So I went to my local hobby shop today, and picked up some miniature figures here. And yeah, I thought I open up and show you what's in them. I'm a huge Gundam fan. I don't really get the chance to really talk about Gundam too much on my channel because not really the main focus of my channel. But anyways, I thought it's cool and share some of my pickups with you guys and maybe talk about it a little bit. And yeah, so yeah, I went to my local game shop or hobby store. It's called Brooker's Hobby for those that are nearby. But yeah, it's got a lot of Gundam stuff. And I saw these, and these were kind of cool. Like I have full size, master grades and higher grades. I have actually a ton of them that I don't really talk too much about. But yeah, I thought these were pretty cool. They're like I think my shop was selling for like $7 each. So yeah, it might be a little overpriced or underpriced. I don't really know. They were kind of cheap to pick up, so I thought it'd be kind of cool as kind of a small thing to put together, get the gunpla itch out of the way, while not fully committing like a whole day to um, work on my gunpla or something like that. So yeah, let's see what I picked up here. So I picked up a Gundam Converge. Looks like a 10th anniversary, and I think this is the Gelgoog Jaeger. Shin Matsunaga's custom. I really love the color scheme, and I really love the Gelgoog Jaeger. I think it's one of the coolest suits around. Back in the 1 Year War, I love the Gelgoog. I just love the design of that Zeon suit, and so yeah, yeah, pick this one up. Should be kind of a cool thing. Let's go ahead and just open it up and see what's inside. Alright, I think there's a little bit more stuff here. Alright, looks like these are maybe its fuel tank and a backpack. Okay, that's cool. And here's the actual suit itself. Okay, you got looks like the beam Gatling gun. That appears to be a commander antenna. That's just the base. So let me go ahead and take out the suit at least. Make sure I don't cut myself here. Uh, Alright. Oh, looks like it has another piece with it. I don't know what that piece is. Maybe this is the part of the head still? Oh, okay. Yeah, I think it's part of the actual head here. Looks like the fin. So it's got the commander. Well, it's just the mobile suit fin, and then it's got like um the actual fin on there. Okay, it's the eyes is not centered. It's like off centered a little bit. But yeah, the coloring on it is pretty nice. It's got a little bit of articulation in the arms, up and down. That's about it, honestly. No articulations in the leg, but you do have the thruster bells, which is a nice little detail there. Yep. Yeah, it's a pretty cool, kind of like nice little thing to put somewhere on your desk or something. I might just put this in my actual computer. Maybe have it stand on my graphics card or something like that. Although that might just melt. Might be a really bad idea. Might just melt while it's in my computer. Yeah. Not much to really say about these other parts. I guess I can just put the thing together. It shouldn't take more than a second here. Let me cut everything up here. Get the this out also. And I don't know why they include a piece of cardboard, but I guess the piece of cardboard is to help these pieces maintain its rigidity or maintains its shape, but it seems kind of a waste. I don't think this cardboard does anything. Okay, come on. Alright, so I got that out. Let's get the backpack here. Okay, and these are, I assume, are the fuel tanks. Okay, backpack. The antenna appears a little warped, but you know, no biggie there. Let's go ahead, put the backpack on. I also really like the Gelgoog high mobility type. Those are my two favorite like suits: the high mobility and the okay. So it's got a little bit more articulation in the wrist, so the wrist can kind of move. But I'm not too sure how you. I think they just holds onto it. There's not really much of a grip or anything here. Okay, that's fine. Okay, so I thought these fuel tanks would attach to the backpack, but I guess they attach to the suit directly. That's interesting. I don't know. I'm not sure if there's a left or right side to it, and I don't quite know how these fuel tanks are supposed to like what position they're supposed to be in. I think they're pointing downwards like this. Sorry, there's not much light in my room. Okay, yes, I think they're pointing downwards like that. Alright, it's cool. Just a neat little figure. Not much to say about it. It's not really Gunpla, but more like I guess a yeah. Oh, I guess I forgot the antenna here. Let's go ahead and put that on. If I'm doing this correctly, I am failing very miserably at this. Come on. I think it's on. I feel it's not a very good fit, I guess. Unless I'm putting it on a weird angle. But whatever. It's on for now. I'll fix it later. Yeah. Neat little suit there. Not much to say. Was it worth the $7 I spent? I guess. I mean, it's cool looking. It probably should be cheaper, probably a couple bucks, maybe $5 or something, but whatever. Nice little figure there. Okay. And I don't know how it's supposed to attach to the stand. Like, there's no holes for it or anything like that. So I guess the stand is optional. I don't know what you're supposed to do with this thing, but I'll put it to the side over here somewhere. Yep, go throw this away. Alright, let's take a look at the other one. So these things are supposed to be pretty small. I think that's the actual size of them. They're about like 2 inches, and I think they're supposed to come with like some sort of gum. And I think you gotta paint these up. And there's 5 of them. I think these are the first 5, but they got looks like the Rick Diaz, the Sentinel here, Sentinel or EXX. They got High Nu, the Nightingale, and the Byrant's custom here. So I end up getting up here. You can tell High Nu and Nightingale. Oops, sorry. So High Nu and Nightingale. So let's just crack up this one first and see what's inside. Alright, it looks like it comes with nothing else in the box. Looks like it comes with some instructions. I don't see any gum. I was told there was supposed to be gum in here or something like that, something edible, but I don't see anything that looks like that is gum. I mean, correct me if I'm wrong, but I don't think any of this looks edible. Yeah. Instructions. Oops. Yeah, pretty simple, straightforward instructions. You probably need some standard nippers and cut this together. Alright. Let's take a look at the box again. Yeah, there's no piece of gum, but I was told there was supposed to be gum on this thing. Huh. Not that guy was gonna eat the gum anyways, but I mean, I wanted to see what the piece of gum looked like, but yeah, no gum there. Lay sad. Alright, let's go ahead and open up the High Nu. Maybe this one will have a piece of gum, but I almost doubt it too, so from the way it looks like, maybe it comes in like the set or something bigger, but I don't see any piece of gum anywhere. Yeah, I don't know why it advertises that on the box itself. My friend who reads Japanese, I don't read Japanese, says there's supposed to be a piece of gum, but I don't see anything that would make it so. Take a look at the instructions. Yeah, pretty simple, straightforward build. Probably takes no more than 5-10 minutes to put this together. But yeah, that's all I got for you guys for today. Kind of hopefully a little short video, opening up some of these Gundam stuff, and yeah, I'll get to building them and maybe show you the finished product later. But yeah, that's it. I have not much else to say. Hope you guys see you. Sorry, I always forget my outro. But yeah, I'll see you guys next time.